Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u Antor News.
Managing Director of Orange Automobile. We also welcome Shillong Dundukat Kajongki, happening aboard at the Shrine of the Iron Series. Without further delay, we shall kick off this program with a welcome address by Habarian Singh.
A very good afternoon, one and all present here. Esteemed Chief Guest, CEO and Managing Director, Robot Components Private Limited, Mr. N.K. Gupta, MD Orange Automobile, Mr. Shampang Lingdor, Partners in Innovation, Mr. Victor Suja, of our distributorship for robot earth mover parts. Today marks robot earth movers. Parts align perfectly with our commitment to delivering. Our distributorship signifies more than just a business agreement. At Panama, we extend our heartfelt gratitude to Mr. N.K. Gupta, who have been instrumental in bringing this collaboration to fruition. And we look forward to serving our customer with the highest standards of excellence. Together, let us usher in a new era of construction machinery where every part powered by technology contribution to a seamless and progressive industry. Thank you all for being
by the people.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, sir. Now, I would humbly request Mr. Shampang Lingdor, assisted by Mr. Kani, to further facilitate Mr. Victor Suja, Reverend Father Pinchai Lingdor, and Reverend Father Wanambok Lingdor. Thank you so much, sir.
Retailer seperti JSB spare parts, nomor ba kumbalang menta ka future kadam haka infrastructure bagi construction, kebun ki jingsna, kebun ki kam infrastructure ki long ki dan ha barok kawai kali bat hakni pok kajala jamiru te da ka bagi laya perkhalam nilai shim ya karai ba ngin ya let's settle here, but let's settle here, but ya tentu your company robot components nak bentaban ya keren bagi nak ban sedang nak pot Shillong te film nak ban slam ngiladet ban jengok ki factory kini kita buat bat ngilap bakade company ke babiang tam nak benta ban wanra ya kini ki spare parts kepada nak benta kini ki construction equipments te kini company undai tam bakasna nak benta jongi seniru hari ke export ru Syaki wei pat ki benta jom ka ri jom ka perhe ki export jom ki tiar ki spare parts jom ki excavator nata jom ki GCB pat konta terter tinggal apa kedai company ke babiam ha tinggal shim ya karai bangin ya sedang ya kini ka kam hang ni pot Shillong bangin supply ya ki retailer ha ki benta ka ber jom kini ke jelah apa garu hills nang hastis pot nompo apa unsning nata pedes te support juai support non stone bat konta terter te apa unsning idon ye babu pol kemudian idon sini mene lawan lah ban serana ban ni mei la long ibla kuloi ban invest lang hakani kam ban in supply ya ka retail outlet hang te apa unsning te nantang idon ye ba Victor ru bangin saya pakat nak benta ka Jaintia Hills Residence te bangin play ki outlet ki papero here nak benta ban pensuk penjam ya ki customers ki badam ki machine ki earth movers machine te kini ke benta ka bangi ya pakat ban ni shim kum kasian jam nak penta pensuk ya ki customer ki babun ki pedam ki machine nama bun sen hab lek Guwahati up penwara napal kata ban kesimpua sehni ngin yo lu kita A to Z kita ki balon kam mar penta ki machine A to Z ngin yo lu nang ni ban ngila ban perpoi seki workshop ru ban suki lu ngin sasdan ya ka workshop kebabian lu ki facilities modern workshop kebabian lu ki tiar kitar mendai kum gitu ki workshop ki ba su long malu malam tu re ki modern workshop ki ba biang ki facilities in sesdang nak pentakin ki earth equipments machine kamtam ya ki JCB machine in sesdang hakani ki jeka te kini kini ga benta ka ba mengi ni ya berkat bat ngilala benlek benta te sungu yo lei ba benta kesni ngilala ban penurlong ban ngilala ban yo kini kala ban pli ban sedang ya kini ka operation jengi nak kini ka jaka but speak common law yang senang perhe penia sekiwe bat bensah te ha beli ya kejing batai ke bah company sapang kini ke company tengidon UMB jong kini ke company ba longkong chief guest mentang sini usaha ya ke presentation ban soal ya kejing batai ke bah company ba untuk kembah
infrastructure is being done by the construction machines, and all these construction machines are international brands like JCB, Caterpillar, Hyundai, Hitachi, Volvo, Samsung, Dell. So this technology belongs to Western countries mostly. So I mean, machines are here. Those companies are here making all these are movers and excavators and truck loaders. But in our country there is not